We are in the midst of a global health pandemic. COVID-19 has impacted all of our lives in some way. But did you know that there's another health crisis simultaneously taking place? 1 in 4 people in the world will be affected by mental or neurological disorders at some point in their lives. Yet nearly 2/3 of them do not have access to mental health care for effective treatment. And these stats don't even factor the impact of COVID-19 or the stress from this time of uncertainty. Resilience tools based on the principles of neuroplasticity empower us to sustainably heal ourselves. Neuroplasticity is the brain's amazing ability to adapt and change throughout our life. I have healed over 50 chronic health conditions that I've struggled with during my lifetime by integrating the principles of neuroplasticity into my life after years of searching for relief outside of myself. I didn't realize at the time, but all of these conditions were related to my brain being stuck in a state of fight or flight from accumulated stress. I created Brain Gardening to share my acquired knowledge and provide ways for others to integrate it in their lives to rebalance and find healing too. Brain Gardening offers resilience tools and functional items to create a supportive environment for relief from stress, anxiety, and depression. We develop and curate evidence-based resources for cultivating wellness through neuroplasticity that can be incorporated into an existing self-care practice or serve as an introduction to neural retraining techniques. Our items are rooted in science and cultivated through the arts. Learn more at braingardening.com.